Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting world. Peacock farming. Peacocks are not only known for their beautiful feathers, but also bring many unexpected benefits to the farm. Have you ever thought about raising peacocks? Let's dive into the process of caring for and raising these colorful kings. Let's start this colorful journey together. The peafowl has a long history and is deeply connected to many cultures and religions. Originating from South Asia, peafowls are primarily raised in India, Sri Lanka, and surrounding regions, and have been widely introduced around the world. In Indian culture, the peacock is a symbol of beauty, purity, and rebirth, closely tied to Hindu mythology, where it serves as the mount of the god Kartikeya and symbolizes the goddess Saraswati. Similarly, in Chinese culture, the peacock represents longevity and wealth, while in Greek mythology, it is an animal associated with power and majesty. Raised as ornamental birds since ancient times, peafowls are not only valuable birds in royal gardens, but also appear in art and fashion, especially their beautiful tail feather. Peafowls belong to the pheasant family and are known for the vibrant tail feathers of the males. Their colors do not come from pigments, but from microscopic structures that create an interference effect, causing the feathers to change color depending on the viewing angle. Beyond visual display, male peafowls also communicate using high-frequency sounds that are difficult for humans to hear. When shaking their tail feathers, they produce ultrasonic vibrations that help attract females from a distance. The male peacock fans its tail primarily during the breeding season, which typically lasts from spring to early summer. When courting a female, the male erects and spreads its magnificent tail feathers, while gently shaking them to create a shimmering light effect and emit high-frequency sounds. If the female is attracted, she will approach, and mating occurs. After fertilization, the female peacock seeks a concealed place to lay her eggs. Peacock eggs are large, about 8 to 10 centimeters in length, with thick shells and a pale ivory or slightly brownish color. After about 7 to 10 days of incubation, the eggs can be candled with a light to check for embryo development. If the egg shows blood vessels and a dark spot, it means it is fertilized and developing. The eggs are then kept warm by covering them with a blanket at a temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius and a humidity of around 55 to 60%. On the hatching day, the chick breaks out of the shell and has soft, light yellow or brownish feathers. Once the feathers dry, the chick can follow its mother and begin learning to forage. Peafowls are omnivores, primarily eating seeds, fruits, leaves, and insects. They also consume tender plants, such as grass shoots and flowers. When raising peafowls, additional grains and feed can be provided to ensure they receive adequate nutrition. When raising peafowls, the keeper can help remove some shed feathers during molting to make the bird more comfortable. Feather plucking should be gentle and done only when necessary to avoid stressing the peafowl. Peafowl enclosure should be spacious, well ventilated, and have sheltered areas so the peafowl can move freely and find a place to hide when needed. Ideally, the enclosure should be large enough for the peafowl to walk around and spread its wings comfortably, and made from durable materials such as steel or high-quality wood. Cleaning the peafowl enclosure is crucial to maintain a clean environment and prevent diseases. Keepers should regularly clean droppings and debris in the enclosure and thoroughly clean it at least once a week, especially during the wet season.
Whether it's fields, residential areas, or homes, rats are everywhere. But, despite their adaptability, their presence often brings problems. Rats can cause serious trouble, especially in agriculture. They attack crops, deplete food supplies, and create significant losses in food production. Each year, millions of geese are raised for their meat and liver, with goose liver, also known as foie gras, holding a particularly prestigious role in culinary art. Its rich flavor, delicate texture, and high nutritional value have made it a symbol of elegance and refinement in the world's finest kitchens. But how do farmers achieve such impressive yields? Let's take a closer look at the journey of goose farming, from egg to premium product. The journey begins with the careful collection of eggs, which are gathered from the geese's natural straw nests. These eggs are not only valuable for breeding but also essential for maintaining the flock's population. Have you ever wondered how a humble goose transforms into one of the most luxurious delicacies on the planet? The answer lies in an intricate process of care, expertise, and innovation that turns geese into some of the most prized culinary products in the world. From exquisite foie gras to high-quality goose meat, the journey is nothing short of fascinating. Let's dive into the world of goose farming and discover how these incredible birds go from farm to table, offering premium products that redefine sophistication in global cuisine. Geese, a unique poultry species, have earned their place as one of the most valuable sources of food worldwide. The internal organs are carefully cleaned, as rats have many glandular tissues that require skilled handling. The rats are then roasted until the skin becomes crispy, ready to be cooked in dishes like curry, grilled rat, or stir-fried rat, each offering a unique culinary experience. By adulthood, rats are moved to larger cages, with each one holding around 200 to 300 rats. Interestingly, within just 1 month, baby rats are already capable of reproduction. Once the rats reach an appropriate weight, they're harvested and sent directly to processing facilities or buyers. The price for rat meat can range from $7 to $10 per kilogram, depending on demand and market conditions. Albino rats, specifically, are seen as a precious remedy believed to restore health, boost vitality, improve blood circulation, and stimulate digestion. These rats are said to have a warming effect on the body, improving immunity and overall well-being. Each egg is meticulously marked with a number for easy tracking throughout the incubation period. The monitoring of each egg ensures that the goslings inside develop in optimal conditions, providing the best start for the next generation. As the goslings hatch, they enter one of the most crucial stages of their lives. During this phase, farmers provide them with a well-balanced diet, plenty of space to roam, and conditions that foster healthy growth. Goslings are often allowed to explore outdoor gardens, giving them access to fresh air and green spaces, which helps improve their mood and overall well-being. This early stage of development is essential because it sets the foundation for the geese's future quality, which directly impacts the final products they will produce. Producing the highest quality liver, particularly for foie gras, demands precision and careful attention. Specialized feeding machines are used to deliver the perfect amount of nutrients to each goose. This control process encourages the growth of larger, healthier livers, which are essential for creating the rich, smooth foie gras sought after by chefs worldwide. The technique used to raise geese for foie gras production requires a combination of time, expertise, and a deep understanding of animal care. If you've ever wondered about the behind-the-scenes processes that go into producing these luxurious items, this gives you a glimpse into the world of goose farming. Whether it's the careful egg collection, the meticulous raising of goslings, or the delicate extraction of foie gras, every step requires expertise and dedication to achieve the level of quality that defines these products. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more insights and exploring new journeys with you in the future. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive even deeper into the world of farming and the production of luxury foods. Beyond the farm, rats are known to invade human living spaces, damaging properties, and creating a general nuisance. To make matters worse, rats are carriers of dangerous diseases like leptospirosis, hantavirus, and salmonella, all of which pose serious health risks to humans. In fact, rats are responsible for causing losses up to $10 billion annually in agriculture, highlighting the severity of their impact on the economy. Surprisingly, rat meat is believed to offer various health benefits. It's thought to enhance oxygen supply, strengthen tendons and bones, and even be good for heart health, especially for those with weak constitutions. In traditional Chinese medicine, rat meat is considered a valuable ingredient with medicinal properties.